Okay. Jerry and Chris have 5 stars each. If each star has 5 points, how many points are there? Okay, so go ahead and draw your picture and your equation, and each of you, when you have it finished, come up to the board and that's excellent. Okay, does this picture, you keep going on yours, Robert. No, you're good, Robert. Okay, how many do you have each?
5.
Okay, nice. Okay, you have, but your problem says 5 times 5. How many groups of 5 are you actually needing? 5 groups. How many groups do you have? 2. So how many more do you need? 3. So just erase this and put 3 more groups in there, because you can move your 5 times, or put them over this way. Okay, how are you doing, Robert? So you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, so what's your math problem that you need to make? You have 5 groups of what?
10.
No, let's look at the problem again.
10. Wait.
There's 5 stars, and each of the stars have 5 points on them. You want to break them up into groups?
9 each.
Are you sure? Okay, go ahead and sit down.
10 each should be 30.
Let's help Robert figure this out, okay? And then I'm going to have you come up, okay, Tyson? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one group, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups are right here? There's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups is that so far? 3 groups? We've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many groups of 5 do you have, Robert? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5 groups of 5. So you're going to go 5 times 5. Awesome. All right. You can go sit down, Robert. I'm going to have Tyson come up here real fast and finish doing his. Jerry has 5 stars each, Jerry and Chris. So how many groups of 5 did we need right here? You were right the first time. Here's Jerry, here's Chris. They each have 5 stars each, right? If each star has 5 points,
Are we going to put that back when we're done?
how many points are there? We will.
I'm going to write a message for Miss Wells when we put it back.
We can. All right, so you were on the right track. Okay?
Changed it?
You did change it, but you were looking at it. So here's Jerry. Here's Chris. Jerry and Chris have 5 stars each. You did. 5 stars each. 5 stars here. So you already have 5 and 5. But if each star has 5 points, how many stars are there altogether?
Oh,
How many stars altogether? Not counting these ones. How many? 10. How many points does each star have?
5.
What should our answer
I know
be?
what that equals. It equals
Okay, what's 5 times 0?
50.
No, what's 5 times 0?
0.
What's 5 times 1?
5. 50.
50. Now,
I know what 5 times
what
5 is.
part confused you? I love Tyson's drawing. He represented each point. You represented each point. You
I
drew
can do
it
a better drawing.
excellent. Excellent. Where did we get messed up though? You had your 5 times 5. Where did we get messed up, Jerry?
You got messed up because you did 2 at first, then you fixed it.
Yeah, because each of them, there are 2 people, Jerry and Chris. That's 2, right? So you were right, Michael. You had 2 people represented here. They each had 5 stars, and they each had 5 points. I came over here looking at this. 5 times 5, that's 5 times 5. But how many stars were there each? Not just 5 stars. How many stars were there?
25.
There were 10 stars each.
No, that's your
we
answer.
We were all very close, except we got thrown off with Jerry and Chris.
Until I changed mine.
Yeah, but should you could have stuck with what you said, huh?
So
'Cause
which
you're-
way me and Tyson got our equals on?
No, well, you were seeing the whole picture. You were only seeing one person, though. How many people are there?
2.
2 people. So now we can learn from that. Okay, so you got 5 times 5. How could we fix it?
By adding any more?
By adding how many more?
I don't know.